Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to Love for Beauty. This is Nika, and today we have beautiful Maria Leicy here. Hi, I'm so happy to have you. Thank you for coming.
Oh, thank you, Nika. It's great to be here.
I am so happy she is here. She's one of my favorite people ever. She's always so supportive, so do what she does. Go subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop me a comment, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is up. How did we meet, Maria?
I think it was a couple years ago. We were on set together for this commercial. It was for a cryptocurrency thing with fantasy football for like trading the players.
That was really fun, and she killed it, by the way. I was so impressed. She had these complicated sentences with many words, and she had to say it all at once, and she went there all beautiful in front of the camera, and she was like and she killed it. She just said everything perfectly, and it looked amazing. I was like, wow, she is a keeper, and I see this very rarely in this industry. So that was awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, and hire her. I will put her info down below, so make sure you follow her. She has a YouTube channel as well. Follow her on Instagram. You'll find all the links down below. So today we're gonna be doing this beautiful makeup on this pretty face. We're gonna be doing some flowers. Sorry, I gave up the surprise, but you don't know what the final look's gonna be, so stay till the end of this video so you can see the finished result and what we're gonna do. We're gonna have some fun, guys. Let's go.